Pandas. Not this panda. This is no mere bamboo-eating, kung-fu fighting bear. This is an entirely different animal. One that eats data and out statistics. It's only natural to want to tame this creature, and it's most likely this desire that brought you here. If you want to know everything there is to know about pandas, well then,
you must continue your journey without me.
Linked down in the description is the full 3000 pages of the Pandas library documentation if you wish to go down that road. But if you're a fellow Python degenerate, this is the right place for you. Pandas is an amazing Python library. As previously mentioned, it's ideal for handling large sets of data, be this Excel spreadsheets or CSV files stuffed full of meaningless numbers. Pandas can handle it all. Using data frames and Pandas visualization capabilities, I will teach you to transform, analyze, and display data using Python and Pandas. Make sure you're subscribed to see new lessons as they come out. I will see you in the next video, where we'll start our Pandas journey by learning how to create data frames.